Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, crazy day across the entire market, but you got to give some credit where credit's due. Overall, a very nice move on AMD today when you consider that at one point the price was all the way down there, but the price was also eventually able to fight backwards and show a nice little sign of strength on the bounce. Now, that does all lead to the more than valid question now of, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce, knee-jerk reaction type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward going into Tuesday and, the foreseeable future. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 48.50. Why is 48.50 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, well, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 48.50. If the price were to come down here and then just continue on down, what would that be doing with the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price quite literally right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, maybe the price comes down here, but the difference being behaves in that manner and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, again, quote-unquote progress being defined as 48.50. What about areas of resistance? Main area to watch going into Tuesday, going to be right up here. You can see the price several times got right up at that $50 round number and could never quite, not necessarily push through it because it was able to get above it, but as far as staying up above it is where things really struggled. And then the next key level after the $50 mark is going to be that pink line up there, which on my chart represents the 200 period moving average, currently valued at 52.65. So no doubt about it, nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this going forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.